Hi guys. So I'm going to review the price action of the day. So first of all, let me um, take this chart and well, what happened today for the Euro USD was pretty interesting. Let's begin with the Tokyo session. We got an understanding channel with the Tokyo session that has a reverse from the time window between the Frankfurt Open to the London Open. Then we did a little judo swing, uh, just a handle of candles. I would like to see that we take out the higher portion of the Tokyo range, but that wasn't the case. Then price just breaks lower. Then we got the launch. On launch, we have some equal lows on uh, one part of the European launch. On the second part of the European launch, what we did is that we just went higher. And at the time of the new release, it was a pretty good trade opportunity. You see, here we have a fair value gap, including the gap, and we just stopped at the 25% level, respecting it with the bodies of the candles. So it was a pretty good opportunity. I don't used to trade the pre-open. So before the pre-open, I would like to see the low of the day being make. So I was expecting um, a type of scenario of a squeeze from the longs of the beginning, as longs begins as well at the New York Open. Price was sent higher, but I was expecting that 15 minutes after the like local max of the session, we break lower to the opening price to like the making a lower low of the on the session. But I didn't. But I wasn't expecting to make that uh, explosive price movement to the downside at 10 a.m. I always expect that 15. I wait 15 minutes after the exhaustion of the initial movement of the New York session on these squeeze scenarios for these market conditions. So what I did is that I wait till 9. Then I saw this huge candle. I was then the next key level that I was expecting was this daily fractal. Price um, actually went to that daily fractal. Here I start sizing up my position. Then it goes higher. It breaks again lower, repricing to a discount. Then I that was a perfect opportunity to um, size up again the position. Then it goes higher, breaks again lower to a bullish breaker, higher high, lower low, higher high, bullish breaker. Then we got the Frankfurt close. So at the Frankfurt close, I was forecasting a stop hunt. Uh, as you can see, the the Frankfurt close was just way too close to well, just was just way too near to my position, to my entry point. So I just decided to reduce my position in 25%. Um, Once again, at the beginning of the New York launch, as many times the launch on New York is just a stop hunt. It could be a stop hunt, or it could be an expansion of the range, or it could be totally trap. So after the New York launch, price would break to the buy side or and to the sell side of the New York launch range. But anyways, it could also be um, the opposite side, breaking to the sell side and then to the upside of the range. So when I saw that the New York launch was making a hard high, I decided to take out another part of my position. Anyway, what I forecast is that price would go up here. It would be more or less um, like 130 pips. Anyways, I'm expecting. I don't expect that price would reach that today. The volatility is already over, and I don't like to maintain trades overnight because of the current conditions of, well, the world, the WAR conditions. I think it's a little bit risky. I got the risk of eating a gap. So yeah, that's it, and that's the way I read price today. I expect price continue that to continue going higher. Anyway, I already protect my position on break even. So I think that that would be it. I hope you enjoy it, and it that could be insightful for you. Uh, I will be looking up to introduce more of the concepts that I created based on the ICT teachings. So I hope you enjoy it. Good luck and be safe.